Hey, what's going on, guys? Just want to welcome you. If you've took the free trial or you come in, you've purchased the gold membership or one of the higher levels. I just kind of want to go over my back office. I'm borrowing the students that I'm coaching some back office and power lead systems, so I kind of show you your options, what it looks like, and all that good stuff. So, guys, if you can't tell, you'll see these four green boxes, and these are red. So what this means is she's completed her domain, she's bought her Go membership, she's added her picture, she purchased the first course. Because guys, we have 3 courses right here of high level training. Um, I'm going to talk about that in just a minute. You'll see your different options. The Gold membership gives you access to all kind of different things, guys, from lead capture pages to sales videos. You get those. You can customize them. You can put yourself in them, make your own videos in the sales presentations. We have a VIP section for Gold members where you can go back there. Our programmer does a great job of keeping those fresh and updated, so we never get the traffic sources when we're running traffic to our capture pages. They never get saturated. And guys, don't get flustered by this. It's going to seem like a lot when you log in. I take the fluff out of it. All you need to do is concentrate on getting your system set up and running traffic to it. That's it. You can learn all the sexy stuff later. That doesn't matter. What matters is you getting set up and getting traffic. Because when you're setting up and getting traffic, you'll see what I'm talking about. Guys, I know people that have come in and made 6 figures without even knowing hardly anything. And guys, I do offer more value when you buy these courses. I'm going to go into that. And by the way, guys, my name is Jason Lancaster. I've been online since 2014. Just kind of introduce myself, kind of go through it. Probably should have done that starting off. But I've been on, like I said, I struggled my first few years, to be honest with you. I didn't have anybody to show me. I was in and out of companies, didn't know that you're supposed to just focus on one until and just slam traffic to it. And if you do it week by week, it's going to grow on its own. And you guys will kind of see that once you start growing. You'll see how everything works and all that good stuff. So it's no problem. So I just kind of want to let me kind of close this. I want to show you guys real quick. So guys, if you want to find me, this is my. You can find me right here. You see my profile picture, cover picture, and all that good stuff. Hang on one second, guys. Let me log in right here, and I'll kind of show you who I am, kind of what I'm about, and all that good stuff. Because I want you guys to know who you're dealing with. Because I know I was worried when I would join programs and didn't know and all this. You are going to get a mentor. You're going to get a great Facebook group. We're very supportive. I'm going to run through that real quick. I'm going to show you who I am. So there I am, guys. You'll kind of see me. You should be getting my follow-up emails, getting started and all that good stuff. But you send me a message here. I'll be able to talk to you. You can kind of see me right here. I'm goofy. Just overlook me sometimes, guys. I talk about whatever. And that's me. You can kind of see me sometimes. This is one you guys need to look at. 79 people are going to be opening a home-based business in the next 5 years, according to Forbes. So, guys, it's kind of something to look at. So, I'm going to go back up so you know where to find me. We have an awesome Facebook group. I definitely put that in there for buyers, the people that's bought the Gold membership and above. You're able to come in. You'll see that getting started. When you click the easy button, you'll see that. Plus, I put it in your welcome getting started steps once you buy. Man, we keep our group positive. People getting success every day, all day. You'll see as soon as you get in the group, guys, it's nothing but success all day. So you'll see that. But okay, guys, so let me just go ahead and talk about the 3 levels. Now, why should you upgrade to the highest level? I get this question a lot. And a lot of people come in with the mindset that they think, hey, I'm just going to join the Gold membership. And if I maybe get some sales or I maybe do this, I'm going to win. But I'm just going to be honest. You either have to be all in or all out. Tiptoeing in, people are never successful. The people that come in and do well are very successful. I'm just being honest. You have to sell out and just trust the process. I talk about this a lot, and some people get it and some don't. Now, I'm going to talk about, now you got the gold membership, which you get $20 commissions and 50% match bonus each month on anybody you bring in and how good they do. So it's important that you'll want to succeed, help people. Now, this is a student's, like I said, back office. So she hasn't bought the top two top courses. She just come in and she got the gold membership and free diamond, which is what I recommend first off. This will get you some decent commissions coming in, so where you can get into profit. Now people ask me all the time, most people's goal that I hear and talk to is 10K a month. So how do you get to that 10K a month? Well, I can tell you, I don't know anybody that's got to 10K a month just having these two levels. I'm just going to be honest, because you're talking about $20 and $100 commissions. So what your goal should be is to come in at least social profit, because you're going to get. Let's go to the. It's $497 diamond free ad secret. It says $147. You can watch the videos right here out to the right, or you can click on them too, I believe. And yeah, and you have these are one-time payments, guys, or you can do like a 2-payment system. I think. Let's click right here. Yeah, see. Yeah, you can do 2 monthly payments right there. So they do that for the higher levels. And also right here at Master Traffic, this is the top course on the internet right now. They just updated this. I think we have several, I believe it's 7 or 8 different 6 and 7 figure marketers. We even have an 8-figure marketer that does training. I took one of these strategies and built my business. So that's why, these higher levels are very important. I do offer high value at these levels. I give free, if you buy one of these courses, Diamond, Platinum, or Master Traffic, I will set your funnel up for you free. All I need you to do is come in, buy your domain. You'll have to reach out to me and give me your username and password, and I'll go in and set everything up for you. But make sure you buy your domain, or I can't go in and set it up for you. Okay? You'll want to email me or call me and reach out to me. Okay? So at the Social Profit Master Traffic, I offer more value. I give coaching, 30 days here, 90 days there. Also, I help you out with an extra tool at these 2 levels. Power Lead System is an autoresponder, but it's kind of limited. It's good for starting out with, but if you're coming in at these 2 levels, I think you're pretty daggum serious. These are, at $497 and $1497 for the top-notch program. I do sweeten the deal. You'll get that on my follow-up email sequence. I'll be talking about that, what I offer. So for these higher levels, or you can call me, text me. It's like I said, 30 days coaching, 90 days coaching here, one-on-one each week. Probably some long sessions the first week or 2, and then you pretty much know what to do. And then it's just kind of goes from there, guys. So I'm giving you your different options. $100 commissions, $400, and $1,000 commissions. And that's how you get to 6 figures, these $400 and $1,000. Because I'm going to tell you right now, when we start running traffic, free and paid, and I show you how to share your link and stuff like that, Power Lead System shows you too. It does a great job. That's all you have to concentrate on. Once the funnel's set up, you let it do the work. Okay, all you have to do is follow up when your leads email you back, or they buy the free trial. You email them, send them a welcome. That's what I do. It's pretty much automated, guys. All you have to do is be willing to talk to people a little bit. Sometimes you have to get on the phone. I do videos, as you see, guys. This right here, powered by Screencastify. It's free. You can kind of do what you want to do. So it's kind of up to you guys. I'm gonna get off here. I try to keep my videos 10 minutes or less. So I just kind of want to kind of give you different options. I don't want to pressure you into anything. You do what you feel comfortable, and reach out to me if you need me to answer a few questions. Talk to you later, guys. You have a good day.